In this video, I'll show you how to deploy an app from Replit. Start by signing into your Replit account and open the project you want to deploy. Next, click Run to make sure your app is working correctly before publishing it. After that, click the Deploy button in the top right corner of the editor. Now choose the deployment option that best fits your application, depending on the type of app you're building. Next, review your deployment settings, including the project name, resources, and any available configuration options. After that, if your app requires environment variables or API keys, open the Secrets tool and make sure all the required values have been added before deploying. Now click Deploy and wait while Replit builds and publishes your application. Next, once the deployment is complete, open the live URL provided by Replit and test your app to verify that everything is working correctly. After that, if you make changes to your project later, redeploy the app so the latest version is published. Finally, share your live app URL with users or connect a custom domain if you want to use your own website address. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to deploy an app from Replit. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.